Hi YouTube. Today I wanted to share something with you. So I went out to look for a magnetic cover in the hardware store at the pound shop, like the other lady said, to make a magnetic shim for my to work with my Sidekick. However, I didn't find anything, and then when I got home I remembered that I already had a magnetic shim that I had bought to put my dies on from Amazon. I got 10 sheets a long time ago. I can't remember what price I paid, but you can check back. And all you need to do is as follows, what I'm going to do now. So it's really easy and simple. So you can use your plates as measurements. So maybe I should have checked, but the thing is I wanted the self-sticky pad, but the thing is you can self-sticky it yourself with double-sided tape. So I like to mark what I'm doing, so I've just put pencil mark there, then using long bladed scissors and cut on the line. It's really easy to cut, so you won't have a problem. They just cut through like butter, as they say. So I hope you can still see. Try to keep it wide. There. I don't have to corner around off the edges. Sorry, 1 second. You can stick it down to some card, or just keep it like that and then use it like that. So I'm going to try both. I've got a bit of card here from old packaging. I might not need it if it works. So now I'm gonna just try it out. To move this out the way because my machine won't stick to that. It's nice to go out anyway, so it's not as if So here's one of those thin dies. Sticks nicely on there, and I'm gonna do several in one pass so you can see it working and not having any issues with movement. Now I'm glad I went, and I'm glad I came back. So I'm just gonna put some junk mail through. Junk mail. Cut the junk mail to size. You can keep this. This is just junk mail, and it's card. So I've got a few more pieces like this that I'm going to use. Then put the junk mail on top. Put the blade, cutting pad on top of that, and run it through your machine. And it will be a bit tight because you've got like a magnetic shim. Oh. And hope for the best. Oh, wish me luck. Oh, that's just the paper. Hope for cutting through the cardstock. I use my other hand. So hard. Maybe I should have used paper instead of cardstock. Sorry for the grunting noises. Oh my god, look what's happened to my table. Right, take that off. Now the big reveal. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, wonderful, absolutely perfect cutting. Look, you can use those as frames and decorate the words and stuff because you don't want that in your frames. And it's cut and embossed at the same time. Look, the stitching detail. Hope you can see that. Dun. Oh no, did that cut through the mat? No, it's embossed into the mat too. Ooh, I hope it had it on the right side and not the wrong, because I've made that once before and then I got mini magnets instead because I cut through into the mat. Another perfect one with stitching details embossed at the same time. And then this one, a bit of edging, embossing. So there you go, perfect. So I could do it again. It seems like it cut through the mat, but this time I could use paper. How about that? Okay, I use paper this time. So I'll use the same dies, so you know everything works fine. Well, the thing is, if it cuts through paper, I mean cardstock, heavy cardstock, it should definitely cut through paper, right? So what shall I use? Just going to use scrap because I don't actually need these things. Scrap. That's hopefully stays there. Hopefully I got some sleepy paper there. Okay, through the machine. I won't stop the machine down this time. Oh, I'm going to stick the machine down. There we go. Sorry about that. So, well, this is much smoother and easier. No issues as yet. Whoopsie. There we go. Get that off. And perfect. Hope so. It does make an impression on the mat. I might trim these bits off because they maybe seem a bit long and hard to get through. Can just trim it. But I did measure it. I have to cut a bit smaller. So that one cut through. I knew it would. Just a bit of scrap, but it's nicely embossed. That one cut through. Nicely embossed. And oh, this one's stuck into the mat. This is how thin this piece of paper was. This one's cut into the mat. Hold on while I fix that. I don't want to spoil my thing. That's how much pressure I used. There. Hope it didn't spoil the die. No. And I might cut one more just with a circle to make sure that my die has not been ruined. 1 second. Put that on there. Sorry about that. Need a bit of scrap paper. Scrap paper. This thing. that on top. Get my machine. That's out of view, but I'm sure you get the idea by now what I'm doing. Put that down, hold them together, and feed it through the machine. Yeah, nice and smooth all the way through. Take that off and get ready for the reveal. Da, da, da. Oh, right, look what it does. Makes but it doesn't rip through. That's good. At least I got one now. Magnetic shim. To keep using this. So the paper's too thin and the dye has gone through and stuck into the plastic. Just use this to edge it off. It's a learning curve for me again. Don't want to spoil my dye. There. Don't force it, okay, because you don't want to spoil your dye. Do it slowly. So maybe thin paper is not the key. It should be card. Okay, now I'm going to do just cardstock. 1 second. Without the magnetic shim. Just put that on there. Will that cut that? That's a nice thing. Nope. Oh, just a tiny bit of card. I love having junk mail. I'm going to go and collect other people's junk mail. Okay, so this time have the die up, paper down, and another one. Without the magnetic shim. Okie dokie. Put that on. Can you see my machine? Put that down. That's just the paper cutting through, I hope, and nothing else. Yes, perfect. Didn't stick this time because it's card and not flimsy printer paper. Very nice. Perfect. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you. You don't need those things that I went to get. What are they called again? Don't even know. Vent covers with the you know, adhesive backing on the back. You just can use your magnetic shims for your dies. It does exactly the same thing, and you can stick it yourself using double-sided tape or your strong glues. But look, I haven't stuck mine and it's fine because I was going to stick it to card, but then that would have been more of a pressure inside my machine, and maybe it could have caused a rip or tear into the magnetic shim. I don't know. Sorry for rambling on. Rate this if you like. Well, this is not my idea, it's Leslie's idea. Leslie, God rest her soul, and gives us thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, rate this, and you can't leave comments as yet, but when I get better then then I can give you a reply and everything. So I'm really happy with that. Do you think this could do embossing as well, like if you did it that way? Because the pressure's there. Oh yeah, well, I did get some type of embossing, remember, on these. But this was just what is it? Stitch details. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, I hope so. I don't know. But I've ordered my Shim, sorry, from Amazon, and it will come soon. And then I'll have something to play with and to teach. Okay, see you. Bye. Sorry for rambling on. And thanks for watching. Have a jolly day.